Riwruoga rowere man kod talanta mopogore midendo ni Coalition of Creative Association kata koka e kaunti ma Mombasa koni kata obedo ni talanta magin godo nyalo jologi e weche mag yuto. Jogo mawuok oko mar siro gigo magitimo pod ni piny mokalo kotelegi kod jakomgi Collins Mangicho gikoni gisiro lwedo agenda mar piny owacho temo konyo godo rawere manie sectors mopogore to chutho mag ohala ka koro gidwa ni piny owacho bende orangie chenro manyalo bero talanta mag rowere e kor gwenge ma gikoni biro konyo e thiro weche mag rochruok mag arita kod nok mag tije mar rowere mathoth osebedo ka yuago ka dhowadh nam chumbi.
Tunataka tuone zile social hall, community halls zitumike na wasanii, wacha ziwe creative friendly, wacha ziweze kuwa ambazo wasanii wanaweza either zilipia pesa kidogo ama wanaweza zipata kwa through partnership, kwa sababu spaces ndio imekuwa ni changamoto kubwa sana. Available spaces are very very expensive. Now we understand the creative economy vile ambavyo kupata hela, kuingiza hela ni changamoto.
Wenye tunaoishi na changamoto za kimaumbile. Tumekuwa na changamoto pia katika usanii na mahitaji maalum, mahitaji tofauti kama accessibility za buildings, vile tunaweza kujimudu kimaisha kupitia sanaa.
I personally would like to request that Honorable President to organize a meeting and meet us, furthermore the COCA committee, so that we can see a way forward on how we are going to uplift this thing. We as artists, we have got no authority to access very many places. We want to be given something like a license.
Tuko hapa leo kama COCA tukiamini kama sanaa inalipa. Na sisi kama vijana, sisi kama wasanii tukilipwa, hamtasikia any cases of insecurities, hakutakuwa na teenage pregnancies, hakutakuwa na drugs and substance abuses, kwa sababu vijana will be busy. And by getting busy, we will feel motivated na tutaona kama tumepewa mgao mkubwa katika jamii.
Even the PSS, especially mwenye na support vijana, that is PS Raymond Omolo, azidi kuongea na vijana pia katika department ya creatives. We welcome him so that at least he can able to lend a hand for creative economy, and na sisi sote pia tuweze kusaidia.